it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige and welcome to my extremely messy closet. Today I've partnered with Poshmark to bring you my closet declutter. I'm also going to be selling some of my items on the Poshmark app. If you don't know what Poshmark is, we're going to jump into that a little bit later, but you can definitely check out the description box down below to download it on your phone now. So there's a link down there that you can go ahead and download. You can also check out my closet, that will be linked down below. So if you see something in the video that you like, you can definitely go and shop that in my closet on the Poshmark app. So first things first, I just like to go through, get all the dirty clothes out of there because those need to be washed. So I'm going to get the dirty clothes out of the closet, and then we're going to start, I think first things first is the shoes. The shoes are getting a little crazy, so we're going to start with the shoes first. So let's go ahead and get started. I have been putting this off and putting this off, but there's no better time than the present. So we're going to throw on some really good motivating music and we're going to get this thing done together.
Your madness is so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all. And while I can't anymore, no. Someone say I'm insane and they're right in the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more than just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. While you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. While you're pandemonium, the limit of love is endless. I know. Just do what you want with me. Oh, yeah, I want it all. Couldn't care less the cost. I give my everything.
So I went through my shoes and I figured out the ones that I wanted to sell. I definitely didn't want to sell anything that I would not wear again. So if it was in bad condition, then I'm just going to throw it away and I'm not going to even try to sell it because I wouldn't buy it. But I want to sell some stuff that I barely ever wore that's in great condition. These Allegrias I used to wear when I worked in a salon. They were worn a handful of times. So I do have these. I will be listing these on the Poshmark app. I also have these leopard print heels with the black bows. These are wedge heels. I've always loved these shoes. I just hardly ever wear them anymore. So I'm going to be listing these as well. I've always loved these. These little kitten heels, they're pointy-toed and they have little bows on them. These will be listed. These little heels from 9 West will also be listed in my closet on the Poshmark app. It's really easy to sell on the Poshmark site. You just take a few quick pictures of it. They don't have to be professional looking pictures. In my personal opinion, I want to see all angles of the item that I'm going to possibly be purchasing. So I like to offer a couple different angles of the shoes in this example. So just to make sure that you see exactly what you're going to be buying. I don't want to lead you down the wrong path thinking that I'm selling something that I'm actually not. The thing that I love about Poshmark, because it's really private, so in that case I am able to sell things online to some of my viewers that I don't know personally, so they're able to buy things from me and Poshmark takes care of shipping. If it's an under $15 sale, then it's just a single flat rate of $2.95 and then you keep the rest. If it's something over $15, then the fee is 20% of the listing price and then you get to keep the 80%. So I'm going to take some more pictures of all the stuff that I will be listing, and once again check the description box for the link to my closet. So if you see something that you like, you can go buy it.
Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying.
Stay, stay, stay.
Baby, please don't go. I'd rather have
my tops, which were sweaters, shirts, vests, cardigans, all kinds of stuff, and I moved them all to this side. I have an abundance of things over here to go through, take pictures of, and listed on my Poshmark closet. And then the things that were just not good quality that I wouldn't try to resell, I just tossed them in the floor so I can get rid of those. But now I'm going to move on to my skirts and pants, and then I'll be moving over here to my jackets and dresses. I do have everything sort of categorized in the closet, which makes it super easy. And I used to have everything color coordinated. My dresses still are color coordinated, but now my tops are actually categorized by style or what it is. So I have like t-shirts and then tunics and cardigans, blue jean shirts and stuff like that. So it's easier for me to locate exactly what I'm looking for. And also while I'm down here, I'm going to start looking through my scarves because this is where I've been hanging them and they're getting out of control, and I really did not even hardly wear any scarves this year. So I'm going to be really honest with myself and force myself to get rid of them. I like to hold on to stuff thinking that I'm going to need it. I'm going to wear it eventually. And I think that I'm not the only one that does that. I'm sure maybe you watching also have that same issue where you just think you're going to wear it. But I have to be honest with myself and I'll say, okay, Paige, did you wear it any in the last year? Okay, did you wear it any the year before? And if you did not, it's time to get rid of it. So I try to, at least in my mind, I guess, give myself a 2-year thing. If you didn't wear it in 2 years, get rid of it. And if you can't fit in it, then I definitely go ahead and get rid of it. There were a lot of things that I was holding on to that I just didn't like the way they fit. And I don't know why I kept them for so long, thinking that maybe it would be different or maybe I would find a piece to wear with it to make me love it. But I'm getting rid of those things. So
Least we'll never wonder why this love's so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. Keep those lights down low. Forget all that I'm saying.
Stay, 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 stay.
You have to let it go. Only option is you're staying.
Stay, stay, stay.
Don't get me wrong, I'm already for what future is lying ahead of us. 'Cause I want ya, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard. If something at the finish line, even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. I'll stay, I'll stay, at least for now. 'Cause I want ya, need your hair right on my shoulder. Please stay, just stay for now. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. Even if it hurts with time, we were never meant to find something at the finish line. Stay, stay, stay. Even if we're short on time, at least we'll never wonder why this love was so hard to find. Stay, stay, stay. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the
everything into categories on my bed. And these are all the things that I'm going to be listing on my Poshmark. There are probably 40 things here. Pretty sure. There's a lot. I even went through some of my jewelry. So there are 3 necklaces. Some of this stuff I am going to bundle together, like some of the cardigans and stuff, and the scarves I'm going to just sell all together because it'll just be easier.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure it's not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own run. Got the words now, 'cause we're so young.
So I have been a busy little bee. I have only went through 2 of the stacks and I have 20 new listings on my Poshmark closet. I decided to make a new Poshmark. I did have an old one that had some old like prom and pageant dresses and stuff like that on it, but I decided to make a new one with an easier username to be able to remember. So this is my new Poshmark closet. I have 20 items on there as of right now, but like I said, I am still in the process of adding new stuff as of right now. So I still have my dresses, skirts, and accessories, and still the shoes because I never finished taking pictures of the shoes. So I'm going to finish up with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some motivation to go in your closets or your dressers or wherever it is that you store your clothes, and to just go through and to get rid of the things that you no longer want or no longer need or just have a use for in your life, and just get rid of it if it's in good condition. Definitely try out listing it on Poshmark. If you are on Poshmark, please leave your Poshmark name down below in the comments. I would love to see what you had in your closets. They have tons of stuff on there. They have a lot of designer stuff. They got Louis Vuitton. They have Nike, Adidas. I mean, they have all kinds of high-end brands on there. So the options are endless. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day. And thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.
You are